Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one is about continuing healthcare and NHS-funded nursing care from NHS England. In this schema, there's data going back to June 2017, 500,000 rows, and we've got a few tables. Let's have a look. These ones here. We'll just look at the report ones, which map the fact tables to any code lookup tables. So this is quarterly figures one first. Have a little sneak preview. Got them by organisation code, measures. You can see the sorts of measures here. Just having a look at that list and values. Snapshot activity. Have a look at that. Again, by organisation code, various measures and numbers, and then year-to-date data. Again, by organisations and by different measures. Just have a look down that list. So to have a proper look and a play, follow the link in the description below, which give you 30 days free access to this and the thousands of other open data sets, and have a play. Thanks.